If you're shopping for a sewing machine on a tight budget, you already know how confusing it can get. Some machines look amazing on paper but struggle in real life, while others quietly turn out to be solid workhorses. Today on Sewing Gear Hub, we're counting down the top 10 best budget sewing machines under $200, starting from number 10 and working our way up to the best overall pick. These machines are based on real features, real user experiences, and what actually makes sense for beginners and home sewers. Let's jump right in. Number 10. Brother FB1757X. Starting off the list is the Brother FB1757X, a straightforward, beginner-friendly sewing machine that focuses on the basics. It comes with 17 built-in stitches, a 4-step buttonhole, LED lighting, and a free arm for sleeves and cuffs. One of its biggest advantages at this price is the included extension table, which makes working on larger projects a lot more comfortable. This machine is easy to set up and doesn't overwhelm new users with unnecessary features. It's best suited for light to medium projects like clothing repairs, home decor, and learning how to sew. It's not designed for heavy-duty or high-speed production, but as a budget starter machine, it delivers solid value. Number 9. Brother XM3700. Next up is the Brother XM3700, a very popular beginner machine that's been around for years and still holds its place. It offers 37 built-in stitches, a 1-step buttonhole, automatic needle threader, and a jam-resistant drop-in bobbin. The machine is lightweight, easy to move, and simple to understand, even for first-time users. Where the XM3700 shines is reliability. It doesn't try to be fancy, but it produces clean, consistent stitches for everyday sewing. It's a great option for hemming, repairs, light garment work, and learning at your own pace. Number 8. FI-UFI310. At number 8, we have something a little different. The FI-UFI310 stands out because it uses a servo motor, which is rare in this price range. This motor delivers strong torque, quieter operation, and better control at slow speeds. It also includes an automatic needle threader, metal frame, dual LED lights, and solid performance on thicker fabrics like denim. That said, this machine can be hit or miss. Some users love the power and smoothness, while others report issues like lockups or noise. If you're comfortable learning your machine and want more power under $200, this can be a great value. Absolute beginners may want something simpler. Number 7. Singer M1500. The Singer M1500 is a very basic sewing machine designed for simplicity and portability. It offers preset stitch length and width, a 4-step buttonhole, and a lightweight body that's easy to store or carry. This machine is often chosen for kids, beginners, or as a backup machine. It handles basic sewing tasks well, such as mending, hemming, and light fabric projects. However, it's not meant for thick fabrics or advanced work. The front-load bobbin and lack of automatic needle threader mean it does take some patience to learn, but for simple use, it gets the job done. Number 6. Brother XM2701. The Brother XM2701 is one of the most commonly recommended beginner machines on the market. It features 27 built-in stitches, an automatic needle threader, and a top drop-in bobbin that's easy to load. The setup process is simple, and there are plenty of guides printed directly on the machine. While stitch quality isn't perfect across all fabrics, this machine is forgiving and easy to learn on. It's best for basic sewing, repairs, and light projects where appearance doesn't need to be flawless. If you're on a very tight budget and want something approachable, this is a solid option. Number 5. Brother GX37. Coming in at number 5 is the Brother GX37, a machine that quietly performs very well for its price. It includes 37 built-in stitches, an automatic needle threader, and one of the easiest bobbin systems to use. Stitch quality is strong on straight, zigzag, blind hem, and decorative stitches. Buttonholes are not its strongest feature, and it struggles with very thick denim, but overall, it's a smooth, reliable machine. It's a great choice for beginners who want consistency without dealing with complicated controls. Number 4. Singer MX60. The Singer MX60 is a compact, lightweight sewing machine aimed at beginners and casual users. It comes with preset stitch settings, making it easy to operate without worrying about adjustments. It works well for crafts, light clothing, and small household projects. That said, user experience varies. Some people have no issues at all, while others report bobbin jams and skipped stitches. It's best for occasional sewing and learning the basics, not for frequent or demanding projects. Number 3. Brother CS5055. At number 3, we move into computerized machines with the Brother CS5055. This model offers 60 built-in stitches, 7 one-step buttonholes, and a very beginner-friendly control panel. Stitch selection and adjustments are clearly marked, making it easy to learn even if you've never used a computerized machine before. It handles layered fabrics surprisingly well for the price, though decorative stitches may need some tension adjustments. For under $200, this is one of the most feature-packed machines you can buy. Number 2. Brother XR3774. The Brother XR3774 takes the second spot thanks to its balance of simplicity and versatility. It comes with 37 built-in stitches, a one-step buttonhole, automatic needle threading, and a wide table for quilting and larger projects. It's not computerized, which helps keep the price down and the learning curve manageable. This machine is ideal for beginners who want room to grow. It handles everyday sewing, crafts, and light quilting very well, though it's not intended for constant heavy fabric use. Number 1. Singer Heavy Duty 4411. At number 1, we have the Singer Heavy Duty 4411, the strongest and most powerful machine on this list. With a high-speed motor capable of up to 1,100 stitches per minute and a solid metal frame, this machine is built to handle thicker fabrics like denim and canvas better than most budget machines. It's fast, sturdy, and straightforward. While it lacks advanced features and the foot pedal isn't perfect, the raw power and durability make it the best overall choice under $200 for anyone who wants a true workhorse. Final thoughts. Every sewing machine on this list fits under a $200 budget, but each one serves a different type of sewer. Some are perfect for beginners, some offer extra power, and others focus on portability and ease of use. The best choice depends on what you actually plan to sew. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description. This is Sewing Gear Hub, and I'll see you in the next video.